Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a nail design with Totally Dipped November color of the month. So let's get right into the video. So in this container, I'll be mixing some of the clear dip powder and some of the glitter, which is called Remember Me, to make my own glitter dip powder. I got this glitter in the PR kit from Totally Dipped. So I just apply as much as I need until I'm satisfied with the consistency. So the November color of the month is called Cranberry Marmalade. It's a really pretty dark purple color, and I'm going to be doing a mani using the color today. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. So on the ring finger, I'm using the Cranberry Marmalade dip powder, and I did 3 layers of that. It reached full opacity on the first layer. This color is really pretty. It is a deep shade of purple and it's perfect for the fall season. For the month of November, you can get a ½ ounce jar for only $5. So make sure and check out Totally Dipped's website. And if you want to pick up some more dip powders, use my code Cherael15 to get 15% off. All the information will be listed below. On the middle finger, I'm using the glitter mixture that I made. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I laid my finger into the glitter. I did another layer after this. So I wanted some of the purple glitter to be more prominent on the nail, so I decided to apply them individually on the nail as well. So I applied base to the nail and then I stuck some of the purple glitter all over the nail with my dotting tool. Now I just place some activator on the nail to remove any residue from the nail as well. On the pinky, I wanted to do an ombre with the Cranberry Marmalade and Kira, the nude dip powder, which is my favorite nude dip powder in the Totally Dipped brand. So I applied base to the whole nail and then I sprinkled the nude dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base again and I did my ombre. So I'm always nervous when doing ombres with colors that are so dark. One wrong move and it could be a disaster. So I did about 2 layers of the ombre and did my scrub method in between layers as well. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. I think I went too low with the purple marmalade on both of the ombre nails. That is the only thing I really didn't like about this ombre, but I can't really do anything about it. But you know, that is one thing I would change about this ombre. Anyway, I did the same for my index finger as well. This design was also inspired by Tabitha Scott, so I'll leave a picture of her design. On the pinky nail again, I placed some base on the tip And then I'm doing a glitter ombre. It's like an ombre within an ombre, you know, kind of like ombre inception. Okay, bad joke. Anyway, so I just placed the glitter on the nail. Now I apply some activator to the ombre nails to bring back some color to the nails, and I waited for it to dry. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Totally Dipp'd clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And if you'd like to see a filing video, I'll link to that video in the cards. Now I applied my Model 1's gel top coat to my pinky and my middle finger and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied some of the Model 1's gel glue and top coat to my ring and index finger, and then I placed some rhinestones on those nails and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!